Hello! Oh, fancy seeing you here. Shimai heddiw. Now, this year, Venue Cymru is putting on a pantomime. It's going to be Aladdin. Now, what do we need to put on a pantomime? Well, we'll need scenery. We've got scenery. We need actors. Oh, and we'll need some costumes. This is my dress. It's my Armani dress. Salvation Armani. Now, in pantomime, the pantomime dame Widow Twankey will do some quick changes. Would you like me to do a quick change? Here we go. There you are. Now, all a costume is a design or a drawing. Here's the design. Here's the costume. Would you like to see another design? There you go. How about another quick change? There you are. Widow Twankey, all ready to go into the laundry. So remember, here's the design. And here, this is the costume. Now, if you'd like to do a drawing or a design for one of Widow Twankey's costumes, send it to Venue Cymru. You can add it by direct messenger or add it to the comments underneath this video. So don't forget, Aladdin at Venue Cymru, design a costume ready for the pantomime. I can't wait until panto. So, oh, by the way, take care and don't forget, take part.